Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the third class of Rhythm Dundun. The first beat for Agogo Bell is kicking, kicking, king, 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 king. Now let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat for Dundumba is open times 5, but we're going to play it like boom, 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 boom. Now let's try it on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine them playing 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the third class of Rhythm Dundun. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.